So I saw this image and I was like, this is something I definitely want to draw. So if you're new here, my name is Sylvia. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. So just for the purpose of copyright and all that stuff, I'm gonna link the reference image in the bottom because it's one of the lo-fi playlist music type videos. So it's animated, and I was like, you know what, I want to redraw it into my art style and then now see if I can animate the same art style of mine. So I'm just drawing that from scratch in terms of my creation from the reference, and then I hope you'll see wait until the end to see if I animate it and also to see what it looks like. So I'm gonna let the music play and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and relax and keep watching. So this is what the image ended up looking like, and I decided to animate it as you can see, and this is what it looked like. And I hope you guys enjoyed the making of the video. Thanks for watching. If you made it all the way through, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.